Hey, good morning friends. So here today I am in West Virginia with my another vlog and I am here for river rafting today. So this is the long weekend of Labor Day in America and I am here for river rafting. Last year I went to Ohio Pile, which has a river called Youghiogheny, and I decided that I'll be going for suggested that I should do river rafting in Cheat River. So here I am today with the plan of doing the river rafting in Cheat River. Let's see how my experience would be. So we had a plan of camping last night, but as it was a little rainy last night, we decided that we'll stay in a motel or in a cabin. So we didn't get any cabin, so we stayed in a motel called Maple Leaf, which is in Bristol Mills. It is a beautiful place and it is like 20 minutes away from the place where we'll start rafting. So let's see how my experience of rafting would be. Hi guys, so I'm back from river rafting and it was a very nice experience for me, but it has always been like that I have rafted in a group of 5 to 6 people. So this was for the first time that they provided us a doki, which is like a single raft.
We were surprised that they gave us doki instead. What is a doki? Doki is a solo inflatable kayak where the person riding a doki is supposed to steer themselves through whitewater rapids. And believe me, I was scared when I saw that thing because I've never done kayaking on a river, and that too over a whitewater rapids. So it was scary, but we still did it. Harsh, it was a good experience for her as well, as she was the only one in the whole group of 12 people who managed to fell in the whitewater rapid. As per her, she thinks she enjoyed the most as she was able to drone herself to the bottom of river Cheat. But it was a wonderful experience. I think we have wonderful pictures coming out of that trip.